everyone, welcome back to another week on Double G&L Farm. So I'm currently standing out in one of our rye fields. We had a breakout of armyworms this year. They have gone into our rye field and have eaten and killed our rye. They did not touch the turnips or oats though, so they are still good, but they did kill the rye. So Dad actually just got done re-drilling the rye. It's time to head back out to the field. Here we go. So Dad just called and said that the field that we're getting ready to start combining in, we have to cross a creek, and we have had problems in the past with with beavers making dams. So Dad just went down to the crossing in the combine, and here the beavers have made a dam. So Cody is following me in the Bobcat, and he is going to tear up the beaver dam. Enough excitement for the day. Time to get back to work. Alright everyone, we just finished that section, so we are done for the night. We'll see you tomorrow.
So Otis just got done with his bath, so we think we're just going to air dry him, blow dry him, and then I'm going to start shaving him. Let's see how he looks after it.
All the hair from an hour and 15 minutes to do it, so this is like a really small section. We started and finished 2 sections today. That feels good. So this field is officially done. I'm going to go to the grain bin site and dump the rest of this onto Cody, and then he'll dump it, and then I'm going to head over to another field and we will open it and maybe get a little chunk of it done today. I'm not sure. Stay tuned. Here we go. Alright everyone, we just finished for the night. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. See you around the bin.